Hey guys, it's Ruth Wilson. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where we do makeup tutorials for beginners. So just the other day, my big sister was asking me about some makeup tips. Her birthday was coming up and she really wanted to look different but still keep her natural look. Basically, she wanted a no makeup kind of look. Unfortunately, she did tell me that she went on YouTube looking for this kind of video and couldn't find it anywhere because everyone who was using the products, they went in on basically everything that not only a new beginner who loves a lot of makeup would wear, but also someone who loves makeup would also wear. And that got me thinking. So in this video, you are going to see how I'm able to put together a no makeup look with just a few products, and I'll also be letting you know the price average of each item so that you can calculate exactly how much money you might need to get this no makeup look. And if you want to see how this comes out, then keep watching this video. Alright, so first let's tell you of some of the tools that you are definitely going to need to achieve this no makeup look. So one of the things you're going to need, you have to get these brows snatched. So you're definitely going to need your dark brown pencil, and you're going to also need a spoolie. Now if you don't want to go in with concealer, which is not necessary for you to go down this road of a no makeup look, we'll just do the cleanup with your foundation. So before the foundation, you're definitely going to need a primer, and you will need your foundation, of course. When you're finished with the foundation, then you need your overall powder for your face to set the entire face all together. You'll also need your favorite mascara, or just basically any mascara will do at this point. And when you're done, even if you want to or you don't want to, you will need a setting spray and some lip gloss. So let's get our pens and papers out so you see exactly how we're going to take all those tools and put it together on this face. Okay guys, we are now going to carry you through this process. As you can see, the words are coming up on the screen as to how much money you might need for this process. So we've seen us do the brows before, but we're just walking you through it as this video is being done in real time, and I'm not speeding up the process just in case if you did not see the detailed brow tutorial. Remember, the first thing you do is that you brush up. You brush your brows upward so you can definitely see the line. Then you brush downward so that you can see the line above and you know exactly where to draw in your brows like this. Also remember not to take it all the way out to the beginning like it is at the bottom. The line, it is supposed to look a little off. And when you do this process, you know exactly where your brows are and you know how fat or how skinny they're supposed to be. Then of course you shade your brows in. One of the techniques I actually forgot to do here, it was to brush the hairs back, but that's okay. I'm gonna do that after this process. So you shade, and you do not come all the way to the beginning, because remember, always we want a natural brow, especially at the very beginning. We do not want to have brows that are boxed in at the beginning. Again, that's preference, but I'm telling you, it ain't cute, yo. It's not cute having boxed brows, all right? Now, Milk of Magnesia. That is going to be your primer for today. Now, I do have other primers, but I've decided to use this because this video is all about doing a no makeup look for a budgeted price. Now, people have talked a lot of stuff about Milk of Magnesia. And whenever you look at videos of people talking about when you look at videos of people talking about Milk of Magnesia, the first thing you need to ask yourself, where does this person live? Remember, not all videos you hear about Milk of Magnesia are bad. It's probably just bad for that YouTuber, but not bad for you. Now we're going in with our foundation as we wait for the Milk of Magnesia to dry. Now, because this is a no makeup look and we are not using concealer today, in our next video we are going to use our foundation to do the cleanup work. Now, the first time you saw me do a detailed brow tutorial video, I did the cleanup work sole-handedly with a wipe, whereas everything I'm doing here with that brush right there, I basically did it with my finger and my fingernails. In this case, since I'm wearing foundation all over my face, it just makes sense that we just use the foundation to do the cleanup aspect. Now, when you see how this cleanup looks, you guys are gonna literally see what I'm talking about when it comes to having that beautiful fade at the beginning of the brow. It's just amazing and it is so natural, and that's why I aim for it. Again, preference. I'm not going to judge you if you're wearing box brows, but silently I probably will judge you for it. Don't know. Anyway, so we are cleaning up the brows. As you can see, the Milk of Magnesia is getting white on my face. That is supposed to happen. And I also bought the minty one. Whenever you're going out to buy Milk of Magnesia, there's a bigger one, there's a smaller one. The small one that I have here that I showed the price was only $1,000. Please make sure that when you're buying Milk of Magnesia that you look at the title on the bottle. Mine, I did not look for it. I just grabbed Milk of Magnesia. Then you're going to need a beauty blender so that you can apply your foundation. Now, I actually apply my foundation with a makeup brush because I love the way it is. But since we are doing things the cheap way out here, and also I do find that it's a little difficult for me to find good makeup brushes single-handedly in this country. The brush that you saw me apply the Milk of Magnesia is actually a foundation brush, but I don't like that one. That foundation brush is just for you to paint. And if I may stick a pin here while I'm putting on this foundation, whenever you find a brush to put on your Milk of Magnesia, let that brush be the only brush that you use for that Milk of Magnesia, because when the Milk of Magnesia dries in on that brush, it's gonna get stiff, very, very stiff. You may not be able to use it for any other purposes. So just look at the relaxation of applying this foundation. It's already looking very, very matte on the face, and that's one thing that I do love. But also when it comes to foundations, while I'm putting this on, when you do want to go for a no makeup look, you are not looking to completely hide all of your imperfections all over your face. So for you to wear makeup but still look as though you're not really wearing any makeup, it would be best that you go for a foundation that is skin-like. A foundation that's more of light to medium coverage, but not medium to full coverage. If you go for a full coverage foundation, then you definitely will look as though you are wearing foundation. As you can see from the results, it literally looks skin-like, and that was the complete aim of where I was heading. Now we're going in with Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Powder, the shade in dark. Unfortunately, again, I was unable to find this powder in Guyana, but you can definitely find it on Amazon for 1,000 Guyana dollars. And you will also find the foundation in Guyana, unfortunately, for $2,500. But if you're buying it on Amazon, you're definitely going to find that for $1,000. Or you might spend almost the same money you will spend in Guyana for one that you can use and buy on Amazon for 2-in-1. I have 2 of these foundations, which means that I don't have to go into buying foundation anytime soon. And of course, you could go pick up any nice cheap brush. I tend to put a lot of powder on my forehead for 2 reasons. One, I'm using a lot less complexion products on my forehead because that's what breaks up the fastest for me. Whenever I start sweating bullets, it's from the forehead. And because powder allows it not to move around too much, it's best that I put a lot of powder on my forehead. So, and I also try to put a lot less product there because I like to do my edges, and I find that when you put a lot less product on your forehead, it's a lot easier. Now we're going in with our setting spray. Again, this is optional. You don't necessarily have to go down this route if you don't want to. I found this setting spray on BoxyCharm's website. They have an add-on store. This setting originally cost $4,000. I actually picked it up for like $1,000 or $1,500, somewhere around there. But now we're going in with our mascara. I'm going a little fast. You can actually find a mascara either at Vidia's Enterprise or Fazia's Collection, and I'm sure you're going to find it for no more than $500. At this point, mascara does not matter. All you really need the mascara for is to really darken up and to just bring that darkness around the eyes, and just to bring your original eyeliner, or your original lashes rather, to let it look nice and dark. And that's basically what you just need that mascara for. Just be very careful. Remember what I said in one of our videos. Whenever you are applying mascara onto your eyes, please be very, very careful. Sometimes you might, if you're going a little too fast, you might end up getting this into your eyes. So it might like blink a little bit. If you need to stop, you stop, you blink the water away, because mascara does run. And when you blink, then when your eyes are finished watering, you go again. So already right now, if you are looking at this video, you can only tell that I'm wearing makeup because you saw me apply it. But if I went out onto the road, would you think I did? Now, this part. If you already have a dark brown pencil, what's the sense of you going out to buy another one when you can simply use the same one that you did your brows with? And again, this is your face, so it's okay as long as you're not doing this on other people's faces, all right? And of course, when you're done, you just sharpen the pencil so that you get a fresh new outer look of the pencil all over again, so you can go again with your brows, and then you can do the same thing with your lips. So I'm basically just outlining my lips with that dark brown pencil, which really did a good job. And I'll tell you this much, it's also the first time that I've actually done this, because I brought just some of the products outside so that I would have been able to sit down and put this look together, and I didn't ever get up, just keep getting up all the time to just go get something else. Now I'm gonna apply lip gloss. And again, if you go to Fazia's Collection, you might find lipsticks for $200. You even might find lip gloss for $200. Or if you want to go a little further, you can buy one for $500 at Vidia's. This lip gloss is from Trissy Luxury Cosmetics. I love her brand. I have a couple of her lashes, a few of her glitters, and I do have a couple of her lip glosses in my purse. So that is the end of this tutorial. As you can see, and you will be able to see a before and after photo of this entire look. I made sure that I did that so you guys get to see the difference. And no makeup look is not supposed to make you change and look different completely. It is just basically supposed to enhance the beauty that is already there. Can you tell that I'm wearing makeup? Of course you can. So this is my no makeup look video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which I can assure you will definitely be the same things that we applied here, but with everything else. That includes the concealer, the blush, the highlight, the contour, anything that would have been missed in this video. If you are a person who loves makeup and you want to see what's the easiest and fastest and most affordable way to apply all those products, then you need to watch my next video coming up in the next one. So I'll see you then. Bye.